Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Art of the Start, Turning Ideas into High-Growth Businesses. Lecture 5. Market Entry and Go-to-Market Strategies. 1. Identifying target markets and customer segments. 2. Developing a market entry strategy. 3. Creating a go-to-market plan. 4. Pricing and distribution strategies. 5. Marketing and promotional tactics for high-growth businesses. Market entry and go-to-market strategies. A successful entry into the market can make all the difference between success and failure for a business. That's why it's crucial to have a solid market entry and go-to-market strategy in place. This strategy sets the foundation for how your business will reach its target audience, communicate its message, and ultimately achieve its goals. A well-planned market entry and go-to-market strategy can help you identify and capitalize on opportunities, mitigate risks, and gain a competitive advantage. It also ensures that your business is focused on the right target markets and customer segments, with a clear understanding of their needs and preferences. Identifying target markets and customer segments. To identify your target market and ideal customer segments, it's important to first understand their demographics. This includes factors such as age, gender, income, education level, and geographic location. By analyzing these characteristics, you can gain insights into what types of products or services your customers are likely to be interested in. In addition to demographics, psychographics also play a key role in identifying your target market. This refers to the attitudes, beliefs, values, and interests of your potential customers. Understanding their psychographics can help you tailor your messaging and marketing efforts to better resonate with their needs and desires. Lastly, analyzing customer behavior can provide valuable insights into how they interact with your brand, what motivates them to make a purchase, and how to best reach them through different channels. Developing a market entry strategy. When developing a market entry strategy, it's important to conduct thorough market research to gain a deep understanding of the target market. This includes analyzing customer needs, preferences, and behaviors, as well as identifying key trends and opportunities in the market. In addition to market research, competitive analysis is also crucial. By evaluating the strengths and weaknesses of competitors, businesses can identify gaps in the market and develop strategies to differentiate themselves. Finally, conducting a SWOT analysis: strengths, weaknesses, opportunities. Creating a go-to-market plan. To create a successful go-to-market plan, it's important to start with product positioning. This involves identifying your unique value proposition and how it differentiates you from competitors. From there, you can develop messaging that speaks directly to your target audience and highlights the benefits of your product or service. Once you have your messaging down, it's time to focus on your sales strategy. This includes determining your pricing strategy, identifying your sales channels, and developing a sales process that aligns with your target customer's buying journey. By taking a practical and results-oriented approach to your go-to-market plan, you can set your business up for success. Pricing and distribution strategies. When it comes to pricing and distribution strategies, it's important to take a data-driven and strategic approach. This means conducting thorough market research to determine the optimal pricing models for your product or service, as well as selecting the most effective channels for distribution. In terms of pricing models, there are several options to consider, such as cost-plus pricing, value-based pricing, and penetration pricing. Each has its own advantages and disadvantages, so it's important to carefully evaluate which one is best suited for your business. When it comes to distribution channels, you'll need to consider factors such as customer preferences, logistics, and cost-effectiveness. This may involve utilizing a mix of direct and indirect channels, such as online marketplaces, brick-and-mortar stores, and third-party distributors. Marketing and promotional tactics for high-growth businesses. Content marketing is an essential tactic for high-growth businesses. By creating valuable and informative content, you can attract and engage your target audience, establish your brand as a thought leader, and drive traffic to your website. Some effective content marketing strategies include blogging, white papers, webinars, and ebooks. Social media is another powerful tool for high-growth businesses. By leveraging platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, you can reach a large and diverse audience, build brand awareness, and engage with your customers in real time. To make the most of social media, it's important to develop a clear strategy, create compelling content, and measure your results regularly. Conclusion: market entry and go-to-market strategies are critical components of a successful business plan. When entering a new market, it is crucial to thoroughly analyze the target market, including its size, potential growth, competition, and customer preferences. This analysis helps in identifying the right approach and positioning for the product or service. A well-defined go-to-market strategy outlines how the company will reach its target audience, create brand awareness, generate leads, and ultimately convert them into loyal customers. Marketing channels, such as digital advertising, social media, content marketing, and partnerships. Additionally, considering localization, cultural nuances, and customer needs can enhance the chances of success in a new market. Continuous evaluation and adaptation of the strategies based on market feedback are essential to stay competitive and maximize growth opportunities. By carefully planning and executing market entry and go-to-market strategies, businesses can increase their chances of achieving sustainable success in a new market.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.